Raising the colors. Unfolding the meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only rich in meaning but also steeped in history. Raising the colors. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about English idioms and phrases, you're in the right place. Let's explore what raising the colors means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Raising the colors is a phrase that at its core refers to hoisting a flag or banner up a flagpole. The colors, in this context, are flags, often representing a country, organization, or team. This action is steeped in symbolism and can convey various messages, including allegiance, pride, and celebration. It's a tradition observed in military contexts, schools, and sports events across the globe. The practice of raising the colors has deep historical roots, particularly in military traditions. It signifies the start of a day, the capture of a territory, or the presence of a leader or a unit. In battles, the act of raising one's colors on a captured fort or ship was a declaration of victory. This tradition underscores the importance of flags as symbols of identity, sovereignty, and camaraderie. In today's world, raising the colors goes beyond the military and has been adopted in various ceremonies and daily practices. It symbolizes unity, respect, and collective identity. During national holidays, significant sports events, and school ceremonies, raising the flag can evoke feelings of patriotism, solidarity, and pride. It's a powerful gesture that connects individuals to their community or nation. You can use raising the colors in conversations to refer to literal flag-raising ceremonies or metaphorically to signify taking a stand, showing true colors, or rallying people for a cause. For example, the school starts every day by raising the colors, instilling a sense of pride in the students. At the heart of the movement, it was about raising the colors for justice and equality. We hope this exploration of raising the colors enriches your understanding of this evocative phrase. It's a beautiful example of how language and history intertwine to give depth to our expressions. Whether you're using it to describe a ceremonial act or to metaphorically express unity and commitment, raising the colors adds a layer of richness to your communication. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.